Inside this package is a textured build plate for your 3D printer that Vokelater sent over so I could take a look at it and show you exactly how it works.
Okay, I absolutely love the look of this pattern on this build plate. Look at that rainbow effect there. Absolutely amazing looking here. Really nice and glossy finish here, which I really like. That's going to add a really nice texture and color scheme to the bottom of your 3D prints. Now, going to get a little closer here so you can see some of that rainbow sparkle detail. And let's flip it over and take a look at the other side, because the other side does have a different pattern. Now, on this side, we've got like some little bubbles or circles here. And again, this pattern is going to transfer onto the bottom of your print and look absolutely amazing. Same thing with the stars here. I think this looks really awesome, and we're going to take a look at some printed examples to show you just how cool this looks. All right, now I made a simple 3D print here. Just got a little square here with the Vokelater name on the front. But if we flip it over to the side that was down on the build plate, you can quickly see that we have the really cool pattern here that shows off that holographic design. Now, it is a little bit tough to show on camera here with my lighting and everything, but you can really see the colors that show. I think this is a really amazing look for your 3D prints. And this is actually a really glossy and smooth finish as well. There's no texture to it. It's just nice and smooth. I think this is a game changer if you haven't already taken a look at these for your 3D prints.
I absolutely love the textures that you can get from this dual-sided build plate from Vokelater. I think it's a really unique look here, and they've got a ton of options for your 3D printing needs. Now, if you want to pick up one of these build plates for your 3D printer, I've got a link in the description below.